Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display images and videos when they are posted to the chat as in the form of links. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on this emoji button down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that, you should scroll down to app settings and click on text and media. After that, go to the top, and here you can find when posted as links to chat feature, meaning that images, videos and lolcats will be displayed automatically when they are posted in the format of links to chat. So click on this button on the right side of the screen, thereby turning on this feature. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.